Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia, the CEO of CsylvicCraft. Today I'm going to show you how to attach your hook to this design. I've made this design in I've made the design using different methods of achieving this one design. But lately I've been getting this request to make a tutorial on how to attach the hook, and because I promise to attend to your concerns and questions, and I'm doing this so you understand it. If you're able to do this design, and this is how to attach the hook. For the red one, this is the hook I used. This is how it looks, and this is how I attached it. This is the bracelet. Then for this is the earring. This is the way I attach the earring hook, like this. So if you look at this, I only did one face, and the back I embellished with seed bead. And if you look at it, it's different from the red earring, because after I made the front and the back and I embellished both sides, so you see it's different from this other one. The two earrings are different. So this is how I attach the hook for the red earring. Then also this is the bracelet for this. This is the bracelet of the silver one. This is what I did to it, and this is the hook I used. So when you come to the earring, to the necklace, this is the hook I used for the necklace. So it's your choice to use any hook you want. You can also use the same hook for the necklace, but you use the bigger one. That's what it looks like, and this is what I use for this. So the same way I attached the hook for the bracelet, that's the same thing I did with this, but this is how this looks. And this for the red one. So at this point, I'm going to be using this silver to show you how to attach the hook to this necklace. I've done this part, so I'll show you how to attach this other hook. And the same way I attached the hook to the necklace, the same way I did to the earring and the bracelet. So once you can do for the necklace, use the same pattern. It doesn't matter the kind of hook you're using. Just do it, you'll get it. I promise you that. So to get started, I'm going to be using my beading needle size 9, and I have my cutter for this, and I have my fishing line. I'm using 0.30, and I have the seed bead, the 11 seed bead, the same color as the one I used for this. So I'm going to show you how to attach this hook at this point. So to get started, this is what it looks like, and this is the other part of this hook. So what I'm going to do here first, I'm going to come to this necklace. I'll bring it closer. Then this is a fresh fishing line and a needle. So I have to find a way to attach it to this necklace. So what I do, I'll just come here and pass my needle through this 2 bead here, the 2 seed bead. Then I will pull it, holding the tail not to pull out. Then I'm going to make a loop here. Then I will tie. I'll make another loop, and I will tie. For those who will ask me the beginning of this video why I didn't start from the beginning, I've done this design severally on my channel. So what I will do, I will drop the links to the first part of this video below this video. I will drop the link, and if you don't understand how we got to this point, just feel free to click on the link and watch the video, the previous part, before you come to this point, so that you will not get confused. So at this point, once you attach your fishing line, then I'm going to pass it through this middle one. Remember when we did this design, we picked 5 seed bead. we'll pick 5 seed beads to embellish this the saver, the 8mm saver under. So what I did now, after tying this fishing line here, then I passed through the middle one, which is the third one we picked then when we're doing this design. So coming out of this place, what I'm going to do, I'm going to be picking 4 seed bead. I'm going to be picking 4 seed bead. This is the 4 seed bead I have here. Then I'll pull it. Once I pull, this is how it will look. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to take my needle and pass it through this hook. It doesn't matter if it's already attached. I can open it and hold it separately, but I want to leave it this way so you understand how it goes. Then I'll pass my needle through this hook, the opening on the hook. Then I will pull it. Once I pull, this is what I have. Then the next thing I'm doing, I'm going to take my needle, coming out of this, I'm going to take my needle and pass it through this first bead here. From the 4 we picked, I'll pass it through the first bead. Then I will pull it. Once I pull, this is what I have. Once I pull, I have it like this. So the next thing to do, because we remember we picked 4 initially, so I'm going to pick 3 now. 3 seed bead. So remember the first one we passed our needle, our fishing line through this. So it's assumed that we have 3 here, 3 here, then the other one fishing line, the fishing line both right and left pass through the same bead. So what I'm going to do now, this is what it looks like now. Then I'm going to pass my needle through the middle bead from the next 5 close to this one. That's the third bead we'll pick from that 5. Then I'm going to pull. After pulling, it should give us a V shape, which is this shape, like just this, like a CP. So this is what it looks like. So what I'm going to do now is this. I'm going to take my needle. I'm coming back, I'll pass this needle back through this place to reinforce it. Remember, this is 0.30. So, and this is earring, necklace. So we need to double this fishing line here so it will be able to carry this necklace. So I'm going to pass my needle back through those 2 seed bead here from the 5, the last 2. Then I'll pull my needle like this. Then I'll pass my needle through this 8mm silver at the middle. Then I'll pull it. Once I pull, I have it like this. The next thing, I'm going to pass my needle through those 2 underneath here. I'm doing this to find my way back to where we started this. Then I'll pull this. Once I pull, I have it like this. So the next thing, I'm going to pass this needle through this 4 seed bead we picked first, like this. Then I'll pull it tight. Once I pull, I have it like this. I'll pass my needle back through the hook. I hope you can see very well. Pass my needle back through the hook and back again through the first seed bead, like we did before, like this. Just the first seed bead on top. Then I'll pull it. Once I pull, this is what we have. Then I'll pass my needle back through the 3 seed bead we picked before. Then this is what I have. At this point, I will then pass through the seed bead in front. pass through the seed bead, then back through this 8 mm down here. Once I'm out of this bead, then I'm coming back through this seed bead. So at this point, once you get to this point, you can tie it anywhere you want it. But watching this tutorial, this is where I'm tying. I will make a loop here and I will tie. I'll make another loop, then I will tie. Remember, after tying, I don't just cut my fishing line here. I still have to pass through few beads to secure this and to secure my fishing line and the bead itself. Then I will pull it. Once I pull, this is what I have. So at this point, I'm going to use my cutter to cut out the excess. Then I'll cut the tail where we started from. So when you look at this design now, this is what we have. We have it complete. This is what this bead looks like, this necklace looks like. This is the hook, this is the body. And the same thing you see. So we have a complete set of this necklace. This is the bracelet and this is the earring. So go ahead and make yours. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not done so for more interesting videos. Share my videos, like them. Comment if you have any concern. If you also have a design in mind you want to learn, feel free to let me know. I will respond. And this is the complete set. So I have 2 available for pickup. So if you're interested in this design, just visit our website and place your order. This will get to you as immediate as possible. See you next time. Bye-bye.